Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn to enable the delete confirmation dialog in Windows 11. If you run Windows 11 for some time, you will notice that it does not display the delete confirmation dialog box when you delete a file or folder from your computer. That means once you select a file/folder and press delete/del from the keyboard, it will be deleted without any prompt. However, the deleted file will land on Recycle Bin. You can restore them to their original location if you need. Most Windows 11 users do not like this behavior and want to see a delete confirmation dialog box. Many of us want to click the Yes button on the delete confirmation dialog box to remove them from their PC. If you are one of those Windows users who want to see a delete confirmation dialog box on Windows 11, this Garip Windows article will help them. How to enable delete confirmation in Windows 11? It is so simple to enable or turn on the delete confirmation dialog box in Windows 11. Just right-click on the Recycle Bin icon on the Windows 11 desktop and select Properties from the available options. In the Recycle Bin Properties window that opens, select a drive and then check the checkbox Display Delete Confirmation dialog. Now, click the Apply button and then OK. After completing the above steps, Windows 11 PC will display a delete confirmation dialog box when you delete a file or folder. If you really want to delete a file/folder, you need to press the Yes button to move them to Recycle Bin. Please note, if you have more than one drive on your PC, you need to repeat the steps for all of them. Good luck!